Hey guys, Mike Vestil here, and in this video revealing how to make money online with ClickBank affiliate marketing and how complete beginners are making $100 to $700 a day with no experience. Literally, we have people in our community like Dina go from 0 to 30 grand a month with this brand new method, and how just one of these ways made me $346,000 in my spare time in net commissions. More of that after the intro. Hey guys, how's it going? Mike Vestil here. Welcome to this video. Before we actually begin, to remind you that several spots have opened up for this week's free workshop, where it's literally the fastest and easiest way to make money online. Sign up for it in the link below. We literally have a 62-year-old woman go from 0 to 160 grand profit in 90 days, so check it out now. So one of the reasons why I wanted to get started with affiliate marketing was because if you literally look at me and my upbringing and where I came from, I'm actually not the smartest person in the world, right? Like, my family came from the Philippines to America, had me, in my entire life I was always an outsider. I'd always look around at the world and I was wondering, why are the ways they are, right? Like, why do we have to work a job? Why do we have to spend 8, 9, 10 hours a day at a thing that we don't like doing for money that we never actually can't even spend, because by the time we make it, it's just gone, right? And I knew very early on I wanted freedom in my life. That was the most important value for me, freedom. I didn't want to be told what to do, where I had to be at a certain time, when I could actually go and use the bathroom, when I need to go ahead and take vacation. I just wanted absolute freedom. But everywhere around me, it seemed like the matrix or society or the education system or my job wanted to keep me stuck. Right, wanted to keep me stuck, which is why when I wanted to get into affiliate marketing, the reason that it just opened my eyes and got me so excited, because here was a business model where someone else will do all of the hard work. Someone else will do the risk. They'll do the shipping, the handling, the customer service. They'll hire the team. They'll manage the team. They'll spend their own money on inventory. They'll do all the hard work, and they'll pay me most of the profit. Does that make sense? And that's the beauty about affiliate marketing. I mean, some of the ways that literally pulled in $346,000 in net commissions. And understand this, I'm not the smartest person in the world. And you're probably wondering, well, Mike, who else did it work for? Well, if you literally go ahead and look at my podcast, because I interview a lot of people on my podcast, it worked for Dina, a stay-at-home mom. She went from 0 to 30 grand a month in 5 to 8 weeks with affiliate marketing. Ilio did the exact same thing with affiliate marketing. Greg did this at age 58 years old with ClickBank, right here. He did this with affiliate marketing. This guy, Francisco from Chile, where the average income is $500 a month, he did this with what? ClickBank, right? And if all of these people that were in literally a similar situation as you, they're like, oh, I don't know if I have the time, I don't have the money, I don't have the experience. If they were able to go ahead and do that, what is actually stopping you? So let's actually break this down. How do you go ahead and make money with ClickBank affiliate marketing? Well, the first step that you need to understand is what products that you could actually sell, right? Like, what products do you actually want to sell, right? Because when it comes to the product, the bigger the pain point, the more money you make. Does that make sense? Like, if I wanted to go ahead and create an affiliate marketing product and I was like, oh, well, I sell, camera, like lens replacement covers, right? That's not really that big of a pain point, right? But if someone's like, hey, I'm very unhealthy, I am obese, I'm lonely, I'm doing X, Y, and Z, I'm trying to make money, but I'm broke. These are painful topics, and the bigger the pain point, the more money you could actually make. Does that make sense? So understand this, all businesses, even more so than affiliate marketing, is the more unhappy the person is, the more money you could actually make, because people don't buy their way into your product, they buy their way out of a pain point. Does that make sense? So the first step is really just finding big painful problems. So where do you go ahead and find this? Again, you can sign up for ClickBank for free. And when you go to ClickBank, they have all these different products. Now, health and wellness does really well, because guess what? Everyone will always want to look better naked. They want to go ahead and get that six pack. They don't feel comfortable in their own skin. So health and wellness does really well. A lot of the people in our community that went from 0 to 30 grand a month in 5 to 8 weeks did it because they promoted things like actually Experience. Does that make sense? So that's just one way. But you don't have to be stuck in the health niche, even though like that's also one of the ways that I went from 0 to 8 grand. This was teaching people how to get six packs. That was that type of product that I got on ClickBank, right? And there's so many different other niches, right? There's, for example, business and investing, and e-business and e-marketing, which I'll do ClickBank products on. I have a friend that makes millions with the languages and the spirituality and new age alternative beliefs, like the law of attraction. And you even have things like sports and travel and self-help and politics and parenting, right? There's so many different products where you essentially could go ahead and sign up for free, click on one simple button, and when people go through that button, the people that are unhappy, right, you would get paid a commission without spending a single dollar on inventory, shipping and handling, or customer service. Does that make sense? So that's the beauty about ClickBank. Where else can you go ahead and find these winning products of big pain points? I would also go ahead, and this is something that you don't even see about in most ClickBank affiliate marketing tutorials, Munchai. Now, Munchai is a place where all of the internet gurus go to go ahead and promote their products with other internet gurus who have email lists. Now, the beauty about this is very simple. Number one, for a week or two, they'll do a launch where everyone in the industry will promote one product. Number two, the hype and the excitement of that and the scarcity that it only is around for 2 weeks gets the sales up, even if you don't have any experience. Number three, if you are not good at selling, if you are not good at marketing, if you have no personal brand whatsoever, if you're bad at, you're not confident, or maybe you're introverted and you don't want to go ahead and speak in front of people. This is great because they do all the speaking, they do all the selling, they'll even sell the product. And they'll give you 50% commission. Like, here's some of the products that are coming up. $2,997, they'll give you 50% commission. Affiliate network, you know it, is ClickBank. Same thing here. You literally have another product. Where is this right here? It is right here. This is $3,497, 50% commission. The affiliate network is ClickBank, right? And this niche is e-commerce, and this niche is software, right? So here's some guru that has made millions that are already doing all of these things, and guess what they do? They send you a simple link, just kind of like this link right here, but instead of going to a sales video, they send you to a virtual workshop where they essentially go ahead and hop on. It's live. They go ahead and teach, they coach. And at the end of the coaching session, they open up their coaching program. And when people decide to buy because they gave a lot of value in that hour, then you get 50% commission. So that's also another way, right? And this is known as high ticket affiliate marketing. It's another one of the ways that I pulled in $346,000 in net commissions with affiliate marketing. Does that make sense? So it literally works. So again, remember, the secret to making money initially is beginning with a big pain point and marketing that way. So what is the next step? The next step is getting them to go ahead and, for example, see some type of pre-sale content. Now, what is a pre-sale content? It could be a YouTube video, it could be a YouTube ad, it could be an email, right? It could be any piece of content that warms this person up who has no idea who you are to the ClickBank product that will essentially make you money, right? So this could be many different things. Like, you could do a blog, you could do Pinterest is what I do, you could do a YouTube video, you could do a YouTube ad, which is what people in our community do, you could do Facebook ads, right? You could do any one of these things, but essentially you need to find people that are unhappy and get them over to go ahead and make money. So how would I do that? Well, let me just show you one simple way that people in our community are doing, right? A lot of these people are running advertisings like Facebook ads, YouTube ads, and Google ads because they don't have to show their face on camera, they don't need to have any experience, and they can literally make results fast, like how a lot of these people are doing this in literally 30 days. So imagine this, if all this did was in the next 30 days, even get you a tenth of that, that's still $100 a day. Like, what would that do for you? How much freedom would you have? Would you still continue working and depending on a job? But if you were able to make an extra $100 a day online, like Dina, stay-at-home mom at age 47 years old, did in her first couple of weeks, and then scaling that even bigger, like, what would it actually do? Would it be worth at least trying this method? And that is, they create their advertisings by going to VidTow and finding out what are the winning advertisements right now on the platform, for example, YouTube ads, right? So let's actually find some of these. Look at this. Here's Rika's Haven. This is their channel name. Life Strength Network. Whole Wellness for You. There's all these different, types of channels, but all of them are different people in our community. Some of these people got 300,000 views, 26 million views, 31,000 views, 247,000 views. Here's one. Let me just play this video right here.
If you wear glasses or contacts, you must see this. A Japanese Nobel Prize-winning scientist in
So just like that, it's a robot voice. They're not showing their face on camera. They're using these video B-roll, which is like stock footage, and it got 26 million views. So imagine if you just got one 3-minute video where you don't even show your face on camera, you use robot voices and you get 26 million views, sending them over to a product that pays you $140 commission. Do you see how these people were able to go ahead and scale very fast, even though they had no experience, no time, and very little budgets, right? And that's exactly what they ended up doing, right? They would go ahead and find some of these videos, they would play it, write down all of these words on a Google Doc so they have the script. Because if this script got someone 26 million views, and that script means there's a lot of money in those words. Does that make sense? Then they would go over to, for example, a new product that they want to go ahead and sell. Like, say we want to go ahead and sell Expeer. Open up the affiliate page. The affiliate page is essentially this company spend a lot of money to help you make money. One of the things that they did was they hired copywriters and email writers to go ahead and make you money if you had an email list, right? But if you don't have an email list and you know that these words get people to buy, right, as pre-sale content, because remember, emailing is one of another pre-sale content, you could just copy and paste the words that they use and put it in the script that you have for example, Vision, right? This is a Vision product. but you could change it to a weight loss script. Now, when you have the new weight loss script, you can literally throw it into Lovo.ai, which is where we create like the robot voices. And just like that, you literally have a video ad that you could essentially use to market ClickBank products that you don't have to ship, touch, create, spend any money on inventory or any one of those things. They do all of the hard work with most of the risk and you make most of the money, right? Again, this is the reason why I love ClickBank, why I love affiliate marketing. If you literally want to know the best and easiest way to do this, of course, check out these podcasts, and you want to find out exactly what they did step by step, like Dina, a stay-at-home mom at age 47 years old, Ilya is an immigrant, Greg at age 58 years old, and you want us to hold your hand, then make sure you sign up for this week's free workshop below. Check out this video, this podcast right here, and I'll see you guys later. Woo!